Alright, good morning everybody. I'm gonna make two videos today because I didn't make one yesterday because I had stuff going on. So I'm gonna do the curve and the trend today. Um, I'm feeling a little more confident in the trading plan as like the impulse and corrective move stuff is starting to come together a little bit, as well as the curve trades as well. So we're gonna go through in this first video, set up the curve trades, and then we're gonna go through the second video and set up the trend and the trend trade. So let's get it on here. I don't think that's black. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Some of these I'm going to set up. Actually, this one's going to be this down here. I'll set up a couple zones per curve level. Okay. And I have been looking at another kind of strategy. It involves like finding the same kind of daily levels in the same way, then using like a moving average cross strategy, as well as like some divergence on like the 60. So if this doesn't work, I'm going to get more into that. So here we go. Actually, I think what would be best is if I made these curve trades have this darker green color. So there we go. Looks like we have a curve long right away. Same with the red. Alright, so this will be 16 and 13. It looks like this would probably be the next level on the 240 there. Maybe this level 2 right above for short opportunities or where we want to be trading to. Oops. Here we go. So we're not going to set up them curve shorts yet because price is just kind of too far away to be trading to there. So oops, go to the pound here. a nice big range here on the pound. One, two, three. Alright, so here we go. There's the curve long. And since price is just closer, we're going to set up the curve long on this one as well. But these are going to be our curve short levels up here. Quite a bit of them. Point 2422, 1.2188. Alright, so I'll do 25.28. Alright, so there we go. Now before I move on, I should probably type these up here. Put these in the trade logger. Curve long. Right. Alright, so with these trades though, we basically just these are levels that we think like the trend will reverse again and go higher. That's the idea. So that we kind of just ignore the like the 240 trend, and then that's where we're looking for price to just reverse and have a uptrend where we can build our position. So let's see. So curve long. If the trade works, build a long position. Alright, so let's get a picture of the pound here. Yeah, because these trades really worked really well, would have worked really well last week when you took them, which I should have taken them. You always follow the plan. However, let me just check one more thing. I think there might be another long opportunity below that. Actually, a couple of them here. So we've got this little level, and we've got this level. So if the top one, if that very first one doesn't work, I'm going to look into taking both of these as well. But for now, we're just going to take the one, keep the trade log pretty clean. Probably a nice short right up here too. Long entry price. So what I can do here is I'll just move this over, move that there. So you see what I'm doing again. So 1.2224, 1.2422, 1.275. Oops. 1.2188, 1.2422, 1.75. Pending. Curve long. Some stuff by my feet kind of driving me nuts there. Alright, so here we go. For the weekly. Okay. All I'm doing here, right here, so this is actually kind of like, there's the impulse move, this one right here. So I was just looking. So all this price traded inside this move. So this is what it would look like if I was going to draw the trend. So I'm trying to find the right breakout level. So that's what it would look like if I drew the trend on here. So that's all I'm doing. I just want to find the right breakout point. So I can take the right trade here. Okay. If that doesn't work. This. Actually, probably just that. All right. back in 2003 here, which is almost the beginning of the Forex markets in these charts. That's why these candles look all fucked up. So on this one, probably not going to look for curve longs because, like, I don't know. I just don't really feel like going back that far in time, but maybe we will. I don't know. As far as curve short opportunities, that looks like a decent level. Probably all of that, so just this top one. Alright, and I guess for funsies. It's really not that far back. Oh, that level doesn't even work. Huh. Yeah, so there's that. So nothing really there. So we'll just have to wait for a trend to reverse before we have any buying opportunities, and we'll take it up to like these two levels right here. All these really nice clean levels here we got on the New Zealand dollar. It's pretty nice, huh? Effectively, we got that. And that, which is actually just this right here. So there we go. We need now is that. Actually, that. It's pretty good curve short level there. And there. I think I'll set both of these ones up probably. Let's find out what we're going to trade them to. So in these ones, the target profits are kind of similar to what a regular standard trade is, except the second profit target is going to be just above the other zone. So the opposing 240 level. And I'm using the 240 charts again because I'm like, you know what, that's what I used when things were going well. So that's what I'm going to keep using and figure it out. So there we go. Those are our curve demand levels. I'm going to go ahead and set this to New Zealand dollar. Short up. Make sure it's 2-to-1. Oh yeah, geez, 2-to-1. All right. So the idea here is that this is how far price went before it kind of turned around, so it should be able to pull that same kind of move off again. That's the idea, and then the final profit target will be right before demand. Oh, that's actually kind of interesting. Look at that. Could have taken this trade. That would have been a pretty good trade. But we didn't last week anyways. So, yep, there we go. One last check. Got like 24.91, so almost, it's over 3-to-1, so that's good. 5 so 0.6166, 0.6281. Alright, so it's be 37.47. So yeah, if this gets filled, this would be a great opportunity to actually build a position to the downside. I'm trying to think right now. Do I want to keep all this extra shit? Like, probably. Always delete the CAD. Yeah, I don't really like trading that. Delete the pound franc too, and delete the Aussie CAD. So that's just a save time. But that's our trade right there. Those are our trades. I gotta set the other one up. 6313. So take profit is 0.6166, 0.6346. Alright, so this will be 27 and 34. Alright, so I'll get my picture. So yeah, hopefully this can fill, and we can get a nice downtrend coming down again. Yeah. So for this too, I guess one of the rules would be, so as you can see, the downtrend would be down, your up move a little bit, and your down move. This trade would still be valid, even with this, the 240 level chilling there. So you can still take the downtrend trades, because it might take like an entire trend reversal for it to get back up here. So yeah, just as kind of one of the rules there. You still take all the other trades that you would normally take. So yeah. gold. Alright, there we go. The chart's back over. About done with the majors here. It's effectively anything above the purple line. If that level breaks, we're trading this one. And then same thing with the 240, anything effectively above the purple line. There's just not really anything in here. Maybe this, as far as like a curved short, or even this. You probably trade that too, but I'm not going to set them up. The price is a little too far away. As we get closer, maybe. Alright, so that's going to be the level, but it's going to be kind of like that level on level setup. I'm going to go ahead and set this up. And we'll take it straight down to there. Bless you. Alright, so definitely like almost 6 to 1. So it'll be 26 and 28. these curved levels, another thing is you can trade to them as well. That's kind of like the idea as well. Instead of just waiting for a price to get high or low on the curve before we stop, trading in that direction. We can still trade in that direction until it hits those levels, and those levels work. So right now we can still buy the CAD technically, until it gets up there. So we gotta build short position if trade works. So we'll get into what that kind of means a little bit here, what the building of position will look like. But yeah, so like this level, technically still a good level up until there, if that closed above that, which I don't think it actually did. So maybe looking at this, that level right there would have been a good level. You're up, you're up, you're down, and you're up. So technically still tradable. However, oh boy, here we go. So anything below the purple line save out some time for later. Take that as their take that as my second backup demand. Anything above here, so it's looking like this one. And this one. Probably after the level stop would go above there. Let me just use the retests profit margin for it, but I'm going to leave it alone for now because it's kind of far away and I just don't want to clutter up my spreadsheet. That'd probably be the curve long trade right there. So yeah, probably still looking for shorts because this is going to be when we make our trend, we'll find out because it's like this, bam, bam, and jam. So anything probably above this breakout right here, depending on what the trend will end up actually looking like. Just because these videos are so long, I might actually go back to just not trading every fucking thing here. Bam, bam, bam. That's the breakout. So anything above there. There's our curve, and then for a curve short, anything above there. Could take this, but I think I'm just going to take this top level right here. That's what the trade's kind of looking like so far. Maybe like this. Unless I'm not going to take that level that's been used and abused a lot. It seems to be working, but there you go. To go in fucking messages on my phone here. So the second prop target will go way down there. This curve trade. 108.638, 1110.808. So we got 46 to 176, and definitely 1 to 3, not a 1 to 4. So we'll go like say 20,000 start there, 5, a. Alright, so we're going to be at 21 and 21. So I think I'm going to stop this video right here because it is 41 minutes long. I'll finish up doing the other parts later. Posting those trades, it just takes a while to set everything up. But yeah, let me get this dollar yen, and then I'm going to start on the trend video. The trend video here. Set up our standard trade. So let me just get this logged. It's logged here. Okay, so yep, that's going to be the curve video and the curve trading video. So I'm going to stop the recording, go back to the euro, and yeah, upload this. Yeah, upload this and then start the next video. So we'll see you again real soon.